E is for B is for C is for
Talaga. Ganun eh, may mga ano pa, pitik. Grabe sila, oh. Parang ano, pang ano na siya, pang kabuhayan showcase, yung pagko-collide.
D is for
Sis, comments.
E is for F is for
Figure ground. Search natin dito. Figure ground. Figure ground. Figure ground. Figure ground. Alala ka, hello.
G is for
Grabe yun siya kalami. Bye.
H is for I is for J is for K is for
POV kung bisan.
L is for
Wait, fun.
M is for N is for O is for P is for
Runway spot.
Q is for
Seta, 20 from the Queen City of the South, Cebu.
R is for S is for T is for
Tang. Ina.
U is for V is for
Confession.
W is for X is for
Tunog lumok.
Y is for
Yes, Lord. Tatapos din tayo na to.
Z is for